Welcome back to the channel. Trying to do some small things in every video, not too much, so I can get it to be easier to get the Google to find it or YouTube to find it. So now I was having a problem that I was trying to go on YouTube and see what about the clips on the door, because these plastic moldings on this door, you see they're broken off, many of them. Completely missing or broken off or what. So I was thinking, how do I get this off? And then I was seeing at one forum, or was it Facebook? Some guys said it'd be easier to not make too much problem for yourself to take away this inner door skin and then remove it. So now I'm just going to get some tools and then we can maybe take off that one, then we can see how things works. Now I have pried loose the whole part down here, so I have to open that screw. I have to check behind here, I think it's a screw. So it's a big cross there. I'll get some small tool in here. There. Screwdriver. See here. See underneath this cover here. I have taken apart so many Toyotas that I start to see that this often a screw hidden there. Yeah. In here, there's a one. Needs to be screwed out. It's a smaller screw. Maybe this. The cover over here, just drag out, then I'll be able to move it up. Yeah, see that this one screw under here I found out, and then it should be able to get up this. It's actually much easier than I believe. And then we have a cross screw there too. It's no wonder I wasn't able to move anything. Because this is a big sucker. Yeah. Now it's loosened off. I have to get this sucker off. And I have to get the connection to the light. There. Then I have the two connectors here. Let's see if I'm able to get this up here. Okay, those jumped off like crazy. There. Now we see the plastic clips. So I have to get some tools to try to pressure out that. Just try with this one and see if I can get some. Yeah, it looks like it could be working. Just have to start from somewhere. The ones down here are loose. One. Let's take this plastic. Different type far in here. Jumped off there. Then blue one here seems to be much easier to get to cooperate. That one was loose. Orange, whitish, gray here, some whitish gray, blue, orange. I have to go and check a set of this type I was buying, so maybe I can fix it with that. But also maybe I'm thinking to clean off here a little now. Down here and see I have to get the clips out and back on this one, because as you see I have some but almost everything was just stuck on it. So what's the point was to take off the inside and try to take it out that way. I'm not sure anymore. I seriously don't see that big point. So now how to try to dig them out from here. And that could be a serious problem. And now I'm just trying to understand that down here it's supposed to be a blue one. But my problem is if I put a blue one there, it's not sticking. It needs to be in like that. That means I have to sit here. Yep, blue one. Then I have 3 blue ones. Yeah, then I managed to pry off all the points. And as we were seeing here, I have put in new clips everywhere except there. The rest is new. The old one I just try them out and tear them out. And some other tools to get in easier inside there and tear out the clips from the inside. Maybe it will be easier, but for me, with my tools, it didn't work at all. Let's see. This is going to be easier or not. I'm not sure. Okay. You see? Am I at the right place or am I not? Yeah. Actually, that was looks like it was dropping in right away. Kind of crazy. I was afraid that was going to give me more problems. It looks like it was jumping right in on the right places. Seriously, first time. Okay, yeah, thank you. That was very easy. See, I have to go in and change some clips on this one too, but not today. Okay, then I just have to put together the door again. That should be okay, easy too. Now I have the door side to put back. I didn't be able to loosen many clips from the inside there with the tools I had. Maybe if I'd taken out the speaker, I would have been able to loosen some more, but I'm not sure if this helped me, but at least we can look how to put back the door again. And here also I put on the clips so it was loosened. Let's see. The first problem or solution, or call it what you want. I have to get this back where it belongs. And those was jumping off very violently. So, well, just dropped it in to space, and then that one go in there. Next one is the locker, and there jumped in very easy too. Like there. Jumped out of its position. There. It's locked. Then I have to remember to put on the light connector for the door lights. Then is the connector supposed to come up for the other controller. Then is the connector in front. There, this one come here. Fixed. Then there, screw in the screw. There, one screw. There, one more screw on top under here. Just dirty. There. Here. here, but first I can put back this cover. Closed. Then the cover up here. There. And then is the door. There. And that one was dirty, so maybe I could have washed it right outside. So multi-controller. There. There. So disassembling the door here is not a problem. Except I was a little hard taking out, so I need to put in a new clips here. I have some clips lying somewhere, so I just find it and put it back when I have time. But now the moulding is sitting as it should. Yeah, I need some other type of clips inside. But luckily, or by checking and trying to understanding, I managed to fix this. So it just suddenly one day jump off the car and go away, because it was more or less all of the bottom of that one was loose, and it started breaking. One of the top mounts was also break off. So it's good to be able to do that. So it was easy. It's easy, and the parts are cheap. Bought I bought 3 or 4 of this, because I wasn't sure how many was in it. Now look at it now, it looks like it's enough to many doors in one. But I have 4, at least 4 boxes. But this package I found on, I don't remember if it was Aliexpress or eBay, but I can try to put in a link to where I bought it from. And yeah, worth the money. Of course it's just some plastic chip, so it shouldn't cost much, but if you go some other place maybe it costs a lot. So I put in a link in the description under the video, so you can go in and buy it. So hopefully someone gets help from this video to see what this is, and also look at the inside the video of the color code of where they were standing, if they are lost on your car. But most likely a stand in the door, broken off in the end out to the plastic. So thank you for coming by and seeing my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, please put a like, and please write a comment, good or bad. Did it help you? Was it completely waste of time? It's better for me to learn it. So thank you. I'm happy. I fixed mine very cheap.